Hey, it's Jack from Alphacharts with a stocks to watch video. Today is September 15th, 2024. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. And I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. All right, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You could also find me on X at Alphacharts365. I'm posting things about the market there all the time. Also, I do run a subscriber group. In that group, you get a ton of information. You get an in-depth weekend video. Usually it's usually 45 minutes to an hour. It goes over the market, the internals of the market, you know, anything I find important, and my extended watch list, which is usually anywhere from 35, 40 names up to 50-ish names or so of names I really like. I also put out a focus list video. Again, it boils that watch list down to the 3 to 5 names that I am really focused on for the week. I do a midweek video. I do market notes twice a week on Sundays and on Thursdays. And all this is to keep you and my subscribers engaged in the market. Right. And it creates, I'm giving content out in various different ways because people like to consume content in different ways. And so I'm trying to, present it in as many ways as possible so you can consume it. So you may not watch every weekend video, but you may like the market notes, right? And so that you're going to get information that way. And you may like those midweek videos or the midweek note or the focus list videos, only 10 minutes, right? So that's shortened to the point. I do daily market scans, annotated chart setups for for all my focus lists or any idea that I really present. It's annotated chart setups. Again, this is not a follow me type of subscription. You guys get to choose what you like. That's why I go over that longer watch list because people may love a name that I maybe don't want to trade that week. That's awesome. That's why that's there, right? For you to take that chart and make it your own, manage your own risk, and you guys get to choose when to buy or sell. That's on you. But if you're working full time, if you're new to trading, or if you just need somebody, just want something to bounce ideas off of for $10 a month, this is an amazing deal. It doesn't really get, I don't know anybody that's giving all this information for such a cheap price. Again, tons of content. We also have a new pick of the week, which is out for the shorter term time frame. I started that about 5 or 6 weeks ago, and it's been a lot of fun actually. I hold one name only for 5 days, and I have to sell by the end of the week, and it's been pretty good. Anyway, if any of this interests you, there's no strings attached. You like it, you stay. You don't like it, you can leave. I've had people uh, be there for a long time. Maybe they left for a couple months and they come back. And that happens, you know, give it a try. Anyway, go to Alphacharts365, click on subscribe. It's all there for you. All right, let's get into this. SPY, you know what? Great couple of days, 5 days, week, whatever. A little bit extended. Would like to see that pullback and then maybe a move higher. That being said, there are names I do like coming into this week. And first one is Cardinal Health. We have a big base. There's your little handle going on there. Dry up in volume. Makes sense to me. Break of the trend line. And we can maybe start positions. And there's your traditional breakout up here. So potential 2 entries. But again, nice looking chart right there. Nice space showing up. XEL, XL Energy has this kind of area. It doesn't need to make another hump. It may come back and make another hump, like this for symmetry, but it doesn't have to. It's been consolidating here in fairly tight range. And so I like how buyers are showing up right at this area, and it's again really tight. So above 64.50 or so, I think we could be long that name, AFRM, Affirm. Super strong bounce right there. That was a 31% move higher. Then it came right back, retested the VWAP from the all-time high, held there and right around where the 200-day is as well. Bounce higher. I think we can make it to that $50-ish area in Affirm. App, one of the strongest names last week. Back to the IPO highs. Again, it's a name that me and subscribers have been in and talked about for a few months now, since the 87 level. I think it needs a pullback here. I'm not saying buy right here. I think it needs a pullback, and then if it can hold into the moving averages, I'd like to see it bounce higher and move higher from there, something like that. I kind of drew that out. What else? Coupang. Coupang broke out. I like to see this maybe come back just a little bit more and then move higher, right? That's what I like, into the moving averages. And by doing that, by letting it come back and not like buying right away, it doesn't have to come back a lot either. It's a retest and it gives you extra confidence in the trade. That's Coupang. IoT, one that I got chopped up with crazy in this area, in this base right here, probably in here too. But now looks different. This to me looks different. It is extended. I'd like to see this pull back a little bit, maybe into this VWAP or this $45 area, and then a move higher. So that is IoT, Zeta. Here is Zeta. Again, super strong name. Again, another name that me and subscribers have been in now for a while. I'm no longer in this particular name. But we talked about it when it was 22. Back in, where is it? 22, I guess. In here somewhere. Anyway, yeah, retake of this VWAP. That's what it was. Anyway, it's moved higher. It's now at all-time highs again. Again, a little bit extended. Yeah, maybe this little bit of a pullback, and then we'll move like that. That's Zeta. PRCT. This is Procept Biorobotics. You see a pretty impressive chart here. The breakout, roughly, around this 47 to 49, $50 area, moved higher. You have, this kind of basey area, and then it gapped up 28%. There's your kind of flaggy area, and now it's trying to move higher. So again, if it can stick the breakout, I think we could be long Procept. And then the last one's INTA. Again, looking at this longer term, there's your IPO. There is a beautiful base. Here's your flag. Really strong looking name right here. Let's see where the is. That was a 12% move. Yeah, so there's your VWAP from there. And here, there's your VWAP. Okay, that doesn't really matter so much. But overall, it looks good. Right. This is, I think, a beautiful looking flag, strong name, on the weekly. You can see it how it went from $31 to $47 basically. Now we've had 2 weeks. There's your inside week. I mean, it just looks really strong. Anyway, so there you go. There are 10 names for you. And hopefully you get some good ideas from this. Hopefully you guys can make some money from it. And if you haven't done so, check out my Twitter or X account at Alphacharts 365. Get that subscribe going, and I think you'll be happy, okay? Y'all have a great day.